Hello, today I want to talk about a really great product that I use. It's the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. I do not use any other makeup remover. I do wear a lot of makeup, and these towelettes are the only towelettes that I've used so far that gets all of my makeup off. So I'm going to talk a little bit about them today. So they come in a pack like this. This is a pack of 25, and as you can see, they're already pre-moistened. You don't have to wet them at all. They're fragrance free, which is very important. You don't want to wipe your eye area or your cheek area with a towelette that has a fragrance or a scent. First of all, it's going to be highly sensitive around your eye area, especially if you're removing mascara or if you're removing eyeliner. It may cause you to break out, so you want to avoid using anything that's fragrant, especially when it comes to washing your face. The point is to cleanse it and to have a fresh, clean feeling afterwards. And these definitely do the trick. They don't leave your skin sticky. 25 is actually a really good amount of these, because if you can actually use them more than once, you're not gonna have to use 100 towelettes just to clean your, one night of makeup off. These are really great, whereas you can use one side, you can flip it over, use the other side, and it stays moist, it doesn't dry out. So as you can see, it comes in this pack like this, and then you have the seal, and this is a plastic pack. And you have the seal here, you open them up, and here you see the towelettes. They're already pre-cut, so that you can kind of just pull one out like that. And they're about this big, so they can cover, the entire pack like that. It's a cotton, kind of like a cottony paper towel kind of feel. They're definitely moist, but they're not too moist. As you can see, it's not dripping. I can't squeeze any of the product off of it. It's not gonna, run all over your face. It's not gonna drip into your eye, so that's good as well. But it's not dry. It's not dry at all. It is very moist, as you can see. And so these, I would say one of these would clean a full face. I would say eyeliner, lipstick, foundation, mascara, whatever you have on that day. One of these will do the trick. It's just a matter of using small parts of it bit by bit, and then you can always flip it over and use the other side. So you're not going to waste a lot of these, and that's what I really love about them. It takes all of the makeup off, and you can kind of, once you get most of it off, you can kind of grab another one and go over it again, and it'll get all the rest of the residue. And then obviously with these, this is not a substitution for washing your face. So obviously I recommend for you to wash your face after using this, because you don't want to leave any residue of makeup on your skin whatsoever, especially if you're going to be going to bed. You're going to want to get it all off. So you wipe your makeup off with this the best you can. Use two if you need to. And then you're going to want to use whatever facial cleanser that you have. Neutrogena has some really great facial cleansers that you can use. Any scrub, whatever, a mask. You're going to want to wash your face after using these. So I'm just going to demonstrate how good these are. Here I have a lipstick. It's a liquid lip, a matte liquid lip. And for anyone who uses matte lip, they know that these are the hardest to get off, which is great if you're out and you're drinking, or you're with, your partner. You obviously don't want it to come off then, but at the end of the night, you're going to want this to come off. So I'm going to swatch it here on my hand for you. You can kind of get a good idea of the color and the coverage. So obviously you see it's a full color matte lipstick. It goes on creamy. It's going to dry matte, but I'm not gonna let it dry for too long. So I'm just going to fan it here just so you can get a good idea of how well it takes off a product once it's dried. And obviously your makeup is going to be on, for several hours, and so it'll already have, started to melt a little bit. So this is just a little bit of a difference, but you'll get a good idea. So I'm going to just take the cloth, and I kind of like to use just a corner of it so I don't have to waste the whole thing. And you just rub it off like that. And as you can see, it's coming off completely clean. Nothing's there. And obviously you see that I use more of it than I should have, but this is still a perfectly good towelette. I can actually fold this back up, and I do this quite often. I fold this back up, and I actually put this back in the pack, and because it's sealed with no air, it's gonna preserve that for me, so I can use that again, or I can use it for, you know, something else. I don't waste these, and so that's what I really love about it, because the pack is really good. It seals them well. It doesn't let them dry out, and so if you don't end up using all of the towelette, you can actually put it back in this pack and use it again. So that's really, really great. So as you can see, it came off. It leaves my hand feeling nice and moisturized. It doesn't dry me out. There's no product here. It took it off a little bit of just, you know, one swipe. So these are really, really great for that. Again, you can use this all over your face. I know that a really sensitive area is the eye area, and using eyeliners and mascaras are really harsh around your eyelid. It can leave, you know, like a little black bit of residue if you don't get it all off, and it can cause styes and all other kinds of issues. So you really, really don't want to leave your makeup on it overnight. You're gonna want to use these before you go to bed. Also, these are good for makeup mistakes. So if you're doing a winged eyeliner and you don't get it quite right, you can grab one of these, wipe it off, and reapply it, and it's not going to make your makeup smudge like a cold cream would, or like a liquid makeup remover would, or like I know people use olive oil to remove makeup. You can reapply your makeup right after, because you wipe it off and then it dries it for you, and it leaves your face feeling nice and moisturized. So again, these are the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Really, really great product for anyone who's looking for a good makeup remover. I hope that this information helps you, and I would definitely recommend you give these a try.